I want to talk about surrender. What is surrender? I would read from the book. I think it's too long, so I will just bring it. Surrender is not a defeat. Consider, generally we say, surrender. That means you win, I give up. Here, the meaning of surrender is tuning in. Surrender means tuning in. We are small portion of supreme consciousness. So surrender means tuning into supreme consciousness. When we tune in, we absorb all the good qualities. Whatever we dwell on, those things get attracted to us. This is why I said, knock and door shall open, and ask and you shall receive. So really, surrender is asking for nothing and receiving everything. Surrender means attunement. Generally in practice, practicing yoga, practicing meditation, what people do is use their strength, use their mind, control them. In a surrender, you don't control anything. You do nothing. You actually give up. And more you give up, more you gain. This is the principle of surrender. We have created, we have shrunk our energy because we become protective, become smart, become successful, get somebody before somebody gets you, instead of be a loser, lose for serving someone, because loss is a gain in the spiritual field, and gain is the loss. Gain accumulates your ego. Gain shrinks your consciousness. Giving expands your consciousness. So imagine if you want to expand your consciousness, surrender. So surrendering means let go. That body is just nothing but made up of 5 elements. Prana is the energy that is universal energy. Energy within my body that uses 5 sense organs and motor organs is only part of universal energy. The mind that functions is only small fraction of universal mind. And the consciousness we perceive is only limited consciousness. So as one goes deep within, one surrenders. And when one surrenders, one awakens the energy within the body to heal the body, awakens the energy, awakens the prana, awakens the mental energy, awakens spiritual energy. One becomes more like a channel that everything flows through their being. So this is a surrender. In a surrender meditation, the practice is you do nothing. You just leave your body, mind, everything alone. You leave the prana, the freedom. Prana is separated from higher self and is trying to go inward. So if you leave yourself alone, let go of all the tensions, the prana will allow your body to go into different movements. that purifies the body. It takes you into different gestures. It takes you into different yoga position. It takes you into different Kundalini practice. It takes you into deeper states of consciousness. So this is the surrender. So I'm just giving brief idea about the surrender. Okay. We will do a surrender mantra.